The extra mile in relationship. Blessings and blessings, guys. Preston Smiles here from the beautiful, amazing Austin, Texas. And today's transmission is about going the extra mile for the sake of your partner's nervous system and understanding them as a teammate and where they may have a challenging time accepting certain things. So, as you can see, our house is an absolute mess. That's because my 11-month-old twins were eating over there, and my 2-year-old, 2.5-year-old, has just smashed the entire house. My beautiful, amazing wife is like many mothers. She puts the children and their needs ahead of her own. And it's one thing for me to say, hey, stop doing that. Put your needs ahead because it'll help all of us, right? It's a whole nother for me to say, hey, I got the dishes. I'll sweep, I'll clean, I'll do whatever I need to. You go take a nap. It's a whole nother to say, let me run a bath for you. Let me order you some type of food that I know you love. Let me set up a vacation for a few weeks from now. Like whatever that looks like, going the extra mile is one of the best things you can do for your partner, whether a man or a woman, no matter what kind of relationship you're in. When you go the extra mile and you guard their nervous system and you protect them and you try to make their lives better and easier, you literally make your life and everybody else's life better and easier. And so I just want to put that in this space for any of you guys struggling in relationship. Anything you want, give. Anything you desire from another, be that for them, and I guarantee you it'll come back, even if it doesn't come back from them. Law of reciprocity isn't just from person to person. It's a universal law. So, blessings and blessings. Leave a comment below if this resonated or landed for you. I'm going to wash some dishes. Peace, guys.